Hello everyone, happy Sunday morning. Today is probably my official last day of gardening for 2023 here. The weather's going to be in the 70s again. We've had a drought like you've heard me talk about for the last month or so. We do have some rain coming tomorrow, hopefully, but we also have a significant temperature drop. So I have to get out here and I have to get everything done because I don't want to work out in the cold. I have some dirt to prep for the purple hearts. I have to trim everything back and I have some plants to relocate. So I'm going to get to it. I'm curious to see what we got underneath here. All right, guys, now we can see what we're working with now. So I have, where's my finger here? So I've got one lavender here, I have 3 there, and I have 3 there. So I need to space these out. So these are the same. So there's 4 of these and 3 of these. So I'm gonna dig them out and line them up. So what do you think, guys? It looks nice. Oh, so what I'm gonna do now is just trim everything back down to the ground. Oh, I like the way things are shaping up. Woo. So I'm all done. I'm all red in the face. I'm a little tired right now, to be honest with you, but the breeze feels good right now on me. All I have to do right now is just water the plants, and I'm going to take a break before I start walking down here with that bucket because that gets tiring in it itself. But I want to just say thank you to all my friends and my family for watching my garden this past year. I will still have stuff I'll be posting anyway because, you know, I'm not good at sitting idle. But thank you guys again for watching. Have an awesome day. Well, I have to include this now, don't I? So I was going to get up and I was going to water my plants. And I didn't take the lavender out of the bucket yet. But apparently Bob likes the lavender. I'm going to disappoint him, though, because I really need the bucket right now. I'm going to see if I can do something to make him happy, though. Are you going to get out? Because I need that bucket, sweetie pie. Come on. No, just readjusting. Okay. Come here. I love you. Let's do this. See, look. So I put it in his cat bed. I put all the lavender in there. Oh, it smells gorgeous in here, guys, but look. Oh, Bob is in his glory. Bob loves lavender. Look at that. I thought I was closing out my video, and now you're getting this fantastic little cat treat. What you got there, baby cakes? Oh, yeah, you make that home. You make that home. Yeah, you enjoy yourself.